In this video, you'll learn how to download the eBay app on your mobile device. This guide will take you through the steps necessary to successfully install the application, whether you are using an Android or an iPhone. Start by opening the App Store on your mobile device. If you have an Android device, locate and open the Google Play Store. For iPhone users, find and open the Apple App Store. Once the App Store is open, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in eBay and press search. You should see a list of applications related to eBay. Next, carefully look through the search results for the official eBay shopping app. It should be published by eBay Inc. and display the recognizable eBay logo. Confirming the logo and developer information is crucial to avoid downloading any fake applications. Once you find the correct app, tap on it to access its detail page. On the app detail page, you will see an install button if you are using Android, or a get button if you are using an iPhone. Keep in mind that the download duration will vary based on your internet speed. Additionally, ensure that you have sufficient storage space on your device to accommodate the app. Once the download process completes, the system will automatically begin installing the application. After the installation is complete, you can find the eBay app on your phone's home screen. Tap the app icon to open it. Upon opening, you will be prompted to sign in using your existing eBay account. If you do not have an account, there will be an option to create a new one. Follow the on-screen instructions for either signing in or registering a new account. As you proceed, the app may request permissions for notifications and updates. Allow these permissions to enhance your experience. You are now ready to browse products, track orders, and manage your account directly from the eBay app. This functionality allows for a convenient shopping experience right from your mobile device. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.